still waiting for the driver.
Let's take photo quickly.
Fuck.
He's nearly here, man. What?
Extra 2.
XT2.
XT2.
Extra 2. Extra.
If you can all do a turn it up on that and turn it up on Fox Footy's bounce. If you can all do a turn it up.
Yeah.
We should all say turn it up. And we'll say
Yeah.
That's not good.
Huh?
This is not good. It's picking up faults.
Yeah.
So do I then.
Do you reckon this is out?
Get filled and then
I reckon
Oh my god.
we are the party.
Who likes to party?
They haven't set the pits.
Party.
Dumb. Dumb. How dumb. They have not set the pits yet. It still says where Craigieburn service.
is that your bag, mate?
Yes.
It still says where Craigieburn service for some reason. Driver must have not set the pits right. But
I haven't set the ball.
I'm always going to bang on the door and say you need set the pits.
There's some Gangnam Style.
Yeah.
14 years going to be in Gangnam Style for on the 15th of July.
We don't know that's on class.
Like, yeah.
Imagine doing that on the train, throwing up the carriage.
Welcome aboard, you're brand new. There's also
Free
a
carriage
velocity.
Seaboard.
Video for setting on the floor. Now arrive at Craigieburn. This train will go nowhere.
Craigieburn.
Hey!
The next station.
The next station
Yeah,
is
there you go.
Roxburgh Park.
There you go.
Yeah, that behind you. I don't know what's wrong. I think they should fix it. That's my feedback.
Are you by yourself?
No, my dad's in
And fix the.
My dad's in one of the other carriages.
Because I hear one.
To get the
Yeah.
to get
What's your dad?
yeah, my dad's in one of the other carriages. On this one. You prefer these or the orange?
That's not my favourite train. You better.
Oh look, it looks like it's about to rain.
Yeah. My first train station, first train line was Sunshine.
Oh, cool.
Yeah, Sunshine Station.
My
Train
first
to
station. My first station was Richmond.
What year, you know?
What year?
What year when you little?
Maybe 2013. Yeah.
But yeah, 2008 because that's my first Sunshine Station. 2008, so and I was 1 year old. So I was 1 year
My first real understanding was I just looked straight because I go
Is that regular?
or maybe I don't know, near park.
Now arriving at Roxburgh Park.
Ballarat, we're getting a Volvo car from Ballarat. So
Alright, welcome to Robertson Park.
Classy, no?
Park. Let's play the game. Yeah, later, aren't we?
I think we should all do a turn it up and then upload it up onto Fox Footy's bounce. So Andrew Gage can actually see it. We should get this on bounce. On Fox Footy's bounce with Andrew Gage.
Roxburgh Park.
Right, I wonder if the people who went to like stations early actually got
am I making live streaming?
I
So
think
yeah, I will start live streaming.
Chad.
It's XC2 delay for Craigieburn.
Uh-oh.
Who did that?
Oh no.
Did you see the idiot who posted?
Zealand.
Did you see the person
No,
who posted
no video on my phone.
The next station is Coolaroo.
Sorry,
What lines?
I'll cut it off.
I was like,
Sorry
that's
about
stupid.
that.
It said
I'll cut it
Craigieburn.
off
Craigieburn.
if it's okay.
No,
What's your name,
Summons
by
and
the
battle.
way? What's your name, by the way?
What are you going to pay for?
I say sorry.
Who's this? Oh! Whoa! I'm trying to see dawn mechanics.
Oh yeah.
Whoa! I'm trying to see the dawn mechanics. Never noticed that.
Yeah, but change that 12
Now arriving at Coolaroo.
12
11:08. Scheduled time to start.
What time does it get these things to sign class?
I wonder if we'll get a rank this train.
810. No.
5.
No.
8605.
8605.
Or you can put 8105 or 8205 and stuff.
8608. 8608.
8605.
Coolaroo.
We get back in the sign class at 11:40.
Right?
11:40.
Here we go.
Oh.
This is almost like they have a guard on the
What's
train.
going on?
It's almost like they have a conductor on the train today. You know, Jared?
Yeah.
It's almost like that the guy's the conductor of the train. And he keeps jumping on the station.
I can pull up my
You
college
heading all the way to
vest.
Karen?
The next station is Broadmeadows.
I should pull up my college vest.
Have you got my Facebook? Yeah. Yeah, it's one Craigieburn restaurant. It does run uphill.
It's not wait for the certification on the phone, Jack.
Wait before
Is it wait for the certification on the phone?
Who was? Did you say?
Is it legal to video someone's phone?
Yeah.
Yeah, it is because yeah, it's illegal because you don't have the authorized permission.
Okay. Sure that it's public area, so not trouble. So.
No, some of it. So private, Craigieburn.
Oh yeah, right. You can do that. There's Jared Lee on there.
There's a comic engine.
Yep. EDI. That's
What's that,
547M, 417M, probably. Is this wait? 1984. I mean, that's
Well, that
42 years ago.
a comic.
Now arriving at Broadmeadows.
417M. 1984 is 42 years old.
What's that website called?
Right?
You got website called? Yeah, I see.
Bro, there's so many scraps there. There's a lot of scraps in lease. Still going on service of college. And literally left there. 1989. It's like 37 years. 37 years old.
Broadmeadows.
What was it? What's
Pesos
that?
is still.
What's
Jared,
that?
the Pesos has moved to this platform now.
Big C.
Yeah, but I'm on the.
Yeah, you should search Comage. If you've seen this Comage fleet, click the website, click the Google search.
Wait.
Alright, we're departing.
So if I type in comic engine in there.
Yep,
We're on our way to Flinders streets.
that's the one there. Comage
Alright,
fleet.
so
Yes,
This one.
that's one.
Oh wow.
Some sort
Easy.
of
The next station is Chicana.
You've seen this one
Oh
there.
wow. It is too.
I've never seen that type of
Just
stuff.
understand what's about the numbers, fleet numbers of carriage. Just to know your type of
Knowledge, yeah.
the knowledge, the facts, what history, scrap,
Standard
or
gauge
service,
line
not.
peeling off inside here.
Do they have one for the H&Gs?
What's that?
I'm
H&T.
Yeah.
when you
Do they
search,
have one for that?
it has that.
Oh, they do. Oh, they actually.
Actually has. Not plenty, also velocity as well as N-class.
Oh, let's go.
Yeah,
This gets better for me.
it's public. Well, it's public.
Now arriving at Jacana.
Viewers on the website. You search extrapolus or even though that's yeah.
I was looking at the comic, the HMT, but
Yeah, when you go home, just figure out something about extrapolus supernova or perhaps.
there's another database I can look at.
Yeah.
I'll put it up on the computer one now. Got my components going.
Jacana.
China. I just got given it on the database to get phones. On the database, yes.
The next station is Glenroy.
Have you been to Hobbs Crossing, Kyle?
Uh,
Yesterday I was on the slide. What a slide! That was me on there. I was screaming and whoa!
That's good.
That's me, yeah.
Now arriving at Glenroy.
You know they really kind of roots in the train industry?
What's up?
The
This?
train industry, they wear these steel caps.
Oh, yeah.
Boots.
Is that the Lanyard Metro Tunnel? Where'd you get that?
At the opening day, mate. I got another one at home.
Oh, look at this guy filming.
I got another one at home.
Just making it a whole
Would
show.
you like one?
Hey?
Would you like one?
Where do you reckon it?
Oh,
Like two.
no,
Where do you?
no, it's alright.
Jared, do you reckon the guys who went to the station building got back on?
Glenroy.
Yeah, yeah.
The guys who went to the station building
Yeah.
got back on, do you reckon?
Mm.
I don't reckon they did because they haven't come down the train.
It's making a whole show.
Very weird. I always just start at the back of the train and then walk through to the front on the express.
Where was I today? Because I was at, in a mail?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
I swear.
Thanks.
I saw.
Where you get it often?
The next station is Oak Park.
Oak Park?
When is that?
Then it's Pasco
Yeah,
Rail.
July.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. And I saw the G class as well.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, it's testing.
I still asked if I can get more
I've never
photos
seen
from
a
this
G-class around.
Pasco
You
Rail.
seen the C2 last time?
Sorry.
Have you seen it?
No, I didn't know. I was
Last
not
Friday.
one there. It's not my favourite tram, but things.
There's
saw-
only like 5 C2 class trams.
Did you know it's Z-class?
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Huh?
Z-class for tram, Z-class tram.
By the way, I
And
saw
that's,
the G class
Route
tram.
when I
Oh, yeah,
got that
same.
one in Footscray Route.
Yeah, I saw it turning on to you.
They're still doing tests on them, aren't they?
The first
Yeah.
time I saw G class is at
Something
airport.
in
Now arriving at
One week
Oak Park.
after extra up to
Yeah.
It's gonna happen G-class.
after 1 week after extra plus 2 first taking passengers.
Yeah. This is how late when there was a delay by 40, when they had the destruction out near Craigieburn. This was by the end of it.
I was gonna ask you, Kyle and Sam, just you know what about this channel? It's both TV Australian Trains.
What is
You should
it?
watch that one because
Is that yours?
No,
I
somebody's.
got some photos.
That's 2011. I'm not sure.
Oh, yeah.
Oak Park.
2010 actually. There are 6 million people there.
You're riding all the way to Flinders?
I'm gonna ask them if I can take one more photo, last photo.
No, you ain't
Yeah.
riding now.
I'm going to
Don't
film
try
it.
and risk your danger.
Yeah.
I'm going to film it. I got my. It's fine. I know what to do.
Yeah.
So we have to get
Even in
to.
case it's one hill, if I'm in Sunbury Station, what if I could film in class passing in?
I got my white card on the way.
The next station is Pascoe Vale.
Have you get in touch in North Melbourne flyover? Have you feel like
The bridge, yeah.
Yeah, so do I.
Last Friday, I need it. Jared, I'm back on my again.
Oh, yeah, I'll look after you. Remember what to do. Well,
Yeah, I know what to do now. I need to try that. Yeah. I'm going to ask him if he can hold the door open. When the driver comes back, yeah.
Now arriving at Pascoe Vale.
They're trying to distract you. A way to check is go to like a customer service number on Craigieburn or something. Or double cross people there. Well, it is running at 12, but not on Craigieburn. Yeah. I'm gonna miss the bunches. You're gonna miss the old trees. Yeah, these ones.
Pascoe Vale.
Yeah, these ones.
Thank you.
got it?
Go to the last Friday.
Did you stand at the end?
Yeah.
How many meters did you go? Have you guessed? Can you guess how many meters it is?
Probably like 500 meters.
The next station is
Not
Strathmore.
too bad.
Last Friday.
Yeah.
I'll film that song across maybe.
If you've been to Steve those ones, it hurt me bad.
Well, that's
They're
amazing.
running into
Time
themselves
lapse.
today.
Are you filming me?
So I jumped on one this morning.
Yeah, don't film me.
And then this train came from Parkland too.
Now arriving at Strathmore.
Craigieburn
I'm
down.
done with photos.
But one's too short for anyone, for any trains, for any 6 stars. Yeah.
So this one being fully operational by August, not right?
Yeah. I very much asked for the show.
Well,
Weird.
friends online doesn't do both.
Strathmore.
It's picking up faults from the line. So if I'm being fully operational by August, not right? Yeah, it's investing with them. So we might see on Thursday.
Yeah,
Been testing for the city work.
I'm saying I just ride. I don't know.
haven't seen you in a couple of weeks.
The next station is Glenbervie.
Test run would be like information of Parkville or Craigieburn.
I rode the one up to Craigieburn and I did the last day.
Now arriving at Glenbervie.
But last Sunday.
Last week.
Would you like to try to ride on new G-Class train?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Because-
I don't know what's going to happen in the middle.
Yeah,
Well,
neither do I.
Well,
I entered a competition that Ben Carroll ran and I haven't got to watch it. The Ben Carroll.
I was hoping making the level crossing 10-year anniversary. Later, I created it. Where are you guys getting off?
Glenbervie.
He's trying to not run by the live as well. Oh yeah. Right,
No, I'm after this.
Someone asked one run and they said this first day August, but it's not running August full service. Is that yeah, and it's what is it? There's only one step.
The next station is Essendon.
Yeah, we need a next one.
Step 7 or step 8, maybe. Yeah, I wanted to know. I went to the AT&T Cup, which was at Euro Mall. Yeah, it was years ago, like 2018, I think. I was supposed to run it. Accident. Booked tickets and like, or there was
Now arriving at
Sunday,
Essendon.
not Saturday. What do you reckon is going to happen to Essendon Grand after they Oh, yes.
Segment thing.
800M.
Alright, here we've got a Siemens terminating from an Essendon service, platform 3. At
Why are they terminating here for?
because after the line's closed.
No, this is the Craigieburn line.
Yeah, I know.
All North Melbourne train lines, except for Craigieburn, are replacement buses.
So,
Joe, you know what's going on?
Essendon.
Huh?
on the back,
What's that terminating here for?
Oh, that's bus replace trains. Because it
yeah.
doesn't go up with
No, it's only the Craigieburn line's running, that's it.
Yeah. I don't know what's happening
I'm
there.
going next step.
Disruption during train work.
Is this
Train
the next side faster or this train faster?
This one's
Platform
closed.
three.
This one's faster.
That one's stopping
They terminating
stations
here.
are-
Maybe.
Why is it?
Is it a train?
Why are all the lights
I
off?
don't know why.
Maybe it's just stable. Yeah, I know.
The next station is Mooney Ponds.
Where I'm getting.
Next station is Cedar Ponds.
Yeah, I've a great one.
Yeah,
Big.
I'll see you next time I'm there.
Don't give up my day job.
Hopefully I'm interrupted.
See you, buddy.
Yeah. Yeah. You riding all the way, Karen?
Nah,
See ya.
Yeah.
I'm only going
Where
to
you got
South
today?
I'm getting off in the street car. I'm
Joe,
going back.
you going to South Cross?
Yes.
Yeah. What do you
Not
reckon
current.
happens
Not
later?
Yeah.
decided, not long way.
No, no,
That's enough for me on.
Now arriving at Mooney
We should do
Ponds.
that one day, go to Karen on this.
I think I'll be there in the beach news. I'll be in the Frankston station for sure.
This left Frankston at about 8:46.
Oh yeah, I saw that.
Platform 5.
So I was on the Siemens approaching when I get off
I would like to take a ride out to Frankston to board this train.
That's a regional display
Why?
Yeah.
by Sam.
Always do. Oh, the button. No.
Mooney Ponds.
We all say, turn it up. Yeah, I do turn it up.
The next station is Ascot Vale.
Ascot Vale.
On the way to city.
Okay, I'm there.
Now arriving at Ascot Vale.
Yeah, you just do the one.
Oh, you're living stuff like I see. Delay. So the car did read that, saw you had seen that, be there.
Ascot Vale.
Okay. Alright. Just wanna
The next station is Newmarket.
The next station is Melbourne.
And you know about have you got any instructors on it?
This one is so weird.
Oh,
Now arriving at Newmarket. Newmarket.
No, he's measuring the train again.
what?
He's measuring the train on the platform.
Where is he? Oh, okay.
Come look.
Oh, again. So it's always during for the days.
He was measuring the place.
Just testing what the
The measurement between the platform and the train. I think there's a massive gap between the platform and the train at the moment. But that won't do anything about it.
Let's see how many passengers are in North Melbourne.
The next station is Kensington.
That train test.
Yeah, because we all have this day together on this area. There will be
Now
lots.
arriving at
There
Kensington.
might be lots of people picking. Yeah, online. Yes, all of them except for this line. Near my home is I took Route 59 train, but nearby station is this line.
Okay, I film that leaving, don't worry about it.
Yes, that's big.
Right, so this is my phone.
Yeah. Well, there you know. So,
Kensington.
Sundays, so should be
Is it going to be running next Sunday?
Yeah.
yeah. Just have a look. It's on like this at Dara, this Dara.
What was that?
This Badara. The boy checking that.
That's enough. The N-Class SSR thing.
The next station is North Melbourne.
What's SSR stand for? SSR.
Yeah.
I think it's a that's built in Austria. Austria. 2003,
Good look. No SSR. 46016.
N466.
46016. N-Class.
Approaching North Melbourne.
Guys, we're approaching North Melbourne.
We are approaching, yes. Change here for Upfield, Werribee, Williamstown.
Yeah.
But unfortunately, Werribee, Williamstown, there's bus replaced trains. Tomorrow's going to be trains back to Melbourne.
Yeah, they back to deck tomorrow morning.
Even
And
Sunbury.
yeah, and the Metro Tunnel is open tomorrow morning too.
Yeah, back to normal. And just a big reminder for free travel, free line.
Yeah, for tomorrow and Tuesday, free travel.
2 days. And then Wednesday back to school. For me. I like
Free
it.
travel tomorrow and Tuesday for beer ones.
Tomorrow.
That's why I don't ask for the travel stuff. Now we're in at North Melbourne.
Change you up to Werribee and Williamstown.
Yeah. I only got
Now
time.
arriving at North Melbourne. Change here for Upfield, Werribee and Williamstown services.
Extrapolis 100, regional on platform 6.
Yeah, I'm at tomorrow. Tuesday, that's it.
I think it's the shuttle.
Oh.
It's only two. It's only two, so I can catch up.
I need 4M. Oh.
Yeah, go with that.
Oh, yeah.
6M.
I was off that.
Extrapolate 2.2 is approaching North Melbourne.
Oh,
Guys, wow, that's a lot of passengers.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Super crazy
Who knows about
line.
Extrapolis 2.0, but let's look up
Right.
search Extrapolis.
So if some didn't know, they will get shocked saying, what's the how come
North
this is
Melbourne.
full?
Change here for Upfield, Werribee and Williamstown services.
Also need all forms. Is that good?
Extrapolate at North Melbourne. Jared, next stop.
Yep. That's ours for myself.
Yeah, no, yeah.
Oh, that's tiring.
My trains are off now. Shortly. I'll call you back up to start, guys. After the 5 camera.
The next station is Southern Cross.
Right. Are you catching the real line to train home? Jack?
Yes. Just gotta pick up my scooter. Upstairs. Oh, no, I can't remember for sure. What is it? Seymour. 3 carriage. That's 1136. That's not Ulster. That's 2006. Ballarat line. No, from Melton. So yeah. So I live in. It's take about be like 20, 15, 22 minutes.
Melton's not Ballarat.
That's Ballarat line. So
Yeah.
that's Melton. Because there will be a new feature of 9 cars of velocity, 9 carriage, 2027. Yeah.
Yeah, it's going to be Metro on that
It's going to
line.
be very massive. Massive.
It's
Very
going to be
huge.
Metro, the one time train's going to be out there.
Did you say Metro Melton?
No, Metro train's going to be out to Melton.
Metro trains. I see. I understood what you're talking about. This proposition supposedly, I don't know what maybe happened. And then potentially too. That's far away.
They haven't built the electric line yet for the Metro trains on that line yet.
Really want to hear the new announcement for it, the we being delayed for.
Well,
Look at that keeps coming up.
we're
Okay.
this. Nice to see you.
What camera's that?
What's this sticker? Well, we.
What camera's that? Oh, is it? Oh, wow.
So do you,
Let's see.
is that okay? You contact number or no?
Oh no, it's alright.
Waiting.
Rather go.
In case, because I'm very busy.
Yeah. Bulldogs. There's a Bulldogs.
Yeah.
Round 18.
Look, it's definitely look behind.
Yeah.
Lots of passengers.
Oh, yeah.
Don't worry about the passengers. You know, once they're going trying to get to the football game, I go to the match. Game match. Yeah. How is it? Surprised I'm not 41. It's 11:41, so.
Yeah, it's playing for the signal.
That carriage is 40% behind that of on.
Hmm?
I think it's waiting for the Frankston because we're gonna be on platform 12.
That's
Yeah, it goes
So-
on, I think, platform 12, then it goes to Flinders, so it goes via Flinders, so it goes out to Cameron.
be Western.
Because it's gonna be on platform 6.
Yeah, but it doesn't
so-
go to Frankston, it goes only first, and it goes to Cameron, and that's it.
People say in the inside it says it's going to channel faster.
Mm.
Yeah, the middle carriage is 80% full, nearly. My guess. That's my guess. Wow, that's a lot of passenger based on 11 o'clock train. 11, I forgot, I need check.
Yeah,
Maybe
12.
11. Yeah, how?
11.
Because
Now I got a Discord message just came through.
what are we waiting
So
now?
maybe we're waiting for them.
Because there's no uphill train. Uphill line they can't clear it.
Oh, maybe
Every train on this goes south. Same one. Let's wait for the signals just to be clear. There were incoming city loop, Caulfield loop.
But also,
Yeah.
Yeah.
I like this one.
Yeah.
This one's better than HCM.
Yeah.
This one goes over on this side. The light is green. Oh.
Let's go there. Go. It's moving.
Yep.
North Melbourne.
Thanks for asking.
With the view. Extrapolis 2.0 window sprinter.
These are actually
I
square.
thought this Extrapolis 100. But I'm joking.
Now arriving at Southern
Is
Cross.
that an encourage? Oh, I need to have a look at what's going on there. Project platform. Well,
Yeah, we're on.
it's the left direction of travel.
I thought the
Left side of the
Hawkins.
board.
I used to think Hawkins was the company of like
Okay. Yeah. Then with the
Go.
yeah.
You getting off now?
Yes.
So, you going to film it?
Ah.
Wait for me. I'm going to film it.
Yeah.
Are you gonna film it all away?
All the way, yeah.
I'll have to film it, then I'll have to go over to my relay phone in front of my platform.
Have a good one, okay?
Have a good one.
Great day,
I might see you back.
Southern Cross.
Nearly one more than we are taking out. Yeah, we will wait for train call.
The next station is Flinders Street.
Yes. So I'm getting off at Exit. Well, on 31st of May, there's no on 31st of May, Southern Coastal resident is stopping all stations.
There was also express
Few, only few, not many express now.
There's only like one Craigieburn express now. And that's
Now arriving at Flinders Street.